The starter rope is used to start your gas-powered tool. The rope is wrapped around the starter pulley. When it is pulled, the pulley rotates, starting the engine. Over time, the rope will wear and fatigue, eventually snapping in two. Aggressively pulling the rope will cause it to fail much faster. Replacing the rope is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the muffler cover. It's secured with 2 screws. Next, I'll remove the starter assembly. Now I need to remove the tension from the starter spring. To do that, I'm going to pull the rope out and tie a knot in the center. Now I can pull the rope away from the starter grip. You can untie the knot, but because we're replacing the rope anyway, I'll just go ahead and cut it off. Now I can remove the grip. Inside the grip, there's a metal plate. I want to make sure I don't lose it. Now I'll untie the knot in the center of the rope and slowly allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. That removed the tension from the starter spring. Next, I'll remove the screw. Now I'll carefully pull the pulley away from the spring, being careful to not pull the spring from the starter housing. I'll unwind the rope and remove it from the pulley. Now I can install the new rope. First, I'll thread it through the hole in the pulley. I'll tie a knot in the end. I want to leave a tag about 1/2 inch long. I'll pull the knot into the opening in the pulley and lay the tag down through the slot in the pulley. Now reinstall the pulley into the housing, making sure that I attach the spring to the opening at the base of the pulley. With the pulley in place, I'll reinstall the screw. Next, I'll rotate the pulley counterclockwise until the notch comes around, and I'll insert the rope through the notch. I'll leave the rope in the notch and continue to rotate the pulley counterclockwise until it will spin no more. When the spring stops the pulley, I'll rotate the pulley back until the rope is aligned with the opening in the starter housing. I'll insert the rope through the opening. And now I'll go ahead and tie another temporary knot in the center of the rope. Now I can reinstall the grip. I'll thread the rope through the grip and then through the hole in the metal plate. You'll notice there's a flange on one side of the plate. I'll insert the rope through the flanged side first. I'll tie a knot at the end of the rope, leaving a short tag end. I'll insert the plate back into the opening in the grip and pull the rope through, pushing the knot into the opening at the top of the grip. Now I can untie the temporary knot. And I'll carefully recoil the rope into the starter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter. I'll align it with the housings and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the muffler cover. I'll just zing the screws into place. And that's how you can replace the starter rope on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.